It's Friday, March 23rd, 2018. The time is 15:34. I'm getting ready to do my March Costco haul because I have not gone yet this month. So I have a list right here. On it is dishwasher, detergent, toilet paper, dryer sheets, sparkling water, juice boxes, vodka, deodorant, vitamins, mayonnaise, shrimp cocktail, and Ritz Crackers. So I'm going to attempt to stick to a budget this time. All the things I have here on my list are around $100, and I would like to spend around $200. So that gives me about $100 to buy other grocery items. So let's see what I end up getting. Okay, so I'm back from the store. I spent a little bit more than I originally planned, but that's okay. My total was $266. So let me show you what I got. I'll show you the household and non-food item stuff first. I got this container of dog treats from Murphy. They are just jerky sticks. I've gotten these many times before, and they were actually like $4 off and on sale for around $6, which is a great price. And then these were also on sale. They're the Pedigree dentist sticks. And these, I believe, were around $14 with $4 off, so those ended up being around $10, which 10 and 6 or 4 actually might have been $4, but either way, both of those are a great price. I was almost out of dishwashing detergent, and I normally buy Cascade, but this Finish was on sale, so I got that for the dishwasher. Adam needed deodorant, and this was on sale. It's the Degree Men. They had this on sale. It's a 5-pack, and it was $9 something, so I thought that was a really good price. And then I've also decided that we need to start taking some vitamin C to make sure that we're not getting sick. So these were also on sale for a little less than $10. There's 2 of these vitamin C gummies, and you get 180 in each bottle, so I thought that was a good price. The other items that I got, hi Murphy, are a package, oh, get down, a package of Cottonelle toilet paper. I normally get the, I normally get the Charmin brand, but this brand was on sale for around $17, so I ended up getting that instead. And then I also got a package of the Kirkland Vodka. This is kind of like vitamin water, and this comes in a 24-pack for around $12, and it's a really good price, and we like it. It's really good. Okay, so moving on to food items. I got this bag of 30 Frito-Lay chips. This is the classic mix. It comes with Lay's, Doritos, Cheetos, and Fritos. There are 30 bags in there. That was around $12. I got a half gallon of half and half. This usually lasts for quite a while, and I use this in my coffee every morning. The expiration date is not until May 5th, so I'll definitely use all that before then. I also got this bag of frozen, fully cooked mini wontons. I don't believe we've bought this brand from Costco before, but this huge bag was on sale for around $6, and it's a 3-pound bag. Anyway, I thought it was a really good price, so I could not pass that up. I got a bag of the sweet kale salad. This has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, chicory, cranberries, roasted pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. Sometimes I like to portion this out and bring it for lunches at work. It's really good. I also got a package of Romaine Hearts. These were, I believe, $3.99, which is a pretty good price for you get 5 heads of romaine. This is a new item at my Costco, and they had samples of it, but I've obviously had this brand of yogurt before. But these containers are a bit smaller than the ones that you get in the normal grocery store, I believe. But anyway, it's the Noosa yogurt. It's a 12-pack. you get 4 each of the lemon, blueberry, and strawberry rhubarb. I've had all those flavors except for the strawberry rhubarb, unless that's the sample that they had in the store, in which case it was good. So I got that. I like to eat those with granola, and hopefully the kids will like those too. They had Hellmann's mayonnaise on sale for $4.99, I believe it was, and we don't need mayonnaise right now, but this is good until December 2018, and I will definitely use it up before then. They had good prices on berries today. I got a package of blueberries, a package of raspberries, and a package of strawberries. And then I also got these Wild Wonders cherry tomatoes. It comes with like red, orange, and yellow cherry tomatoes. Those are good. We like them in salads. This I've never bought before, but I could not pass it up. This is the grilled chicken sandwich, and 12 come in this package. You actually get like the bun and the chicken breast, and this was like $6.49, which is a crazy price. And I thought, I don't know how you can pass up a box of chicken sandwiches for $6. It's like 50 cents a piece. So I got those. I figured Adam and I could use them for work. Maybe the kids will like them as well. Ritz Crackers were also a really good deal. I'm not sure how many boxes of Ritz this would equal to, like the regular size boxes, but this was $5.69 for 18 of those packs, so that's a great price for those. Last time I got these around 2 months ago, we used them all and they stayed fresh in the pantry, and so I got another bag of the Fresh Gourmet organic croutons. I like to use those for salads. This I've bought many times before. This is the Finlandia cheese slices. You get 4 different kinds in there: Swiss, Colby Jack, Cheddar, and Monterey Jack. This will last, it lasts a little while in the fridge, but you can freeze it too if you don't think you'll use it up, but we use those for sandwiches a lot. I also got a rotisserie chicken. These are under $5 at Costco, and I haven't bought one of these in a while, but I've been craving chicken salad, so I thought I would buy that and use it for chicken salad. I also got our organic juice boxes, the Kirkland brand. I get these pretty much every time I go, and the kids love them. I also picked up a pineapple. These were on sale for $2.99, I believe, and they're actually really good ripe pineapples. So if you don't know how to tell what pineapple you should get, turn it over and smell it. If it smells like pineapple, that means it's ripe. And then the other thing you can do is try to pull out one of the fronds up here, and if it pulls out easily, that means it's ripe, which it does. So that should be a good pineapple. Okay, I also got some shrimp cocktail. We love this stuff. Adam and I, whenever I get it, we usually just eat it for dinner, which is probably what we'll do tonight. This is probably the best shrimp cocktail I've ever had. It's a little bit pricey, $11.99, and you get a little over 1 pound, but it's really good, and the cocktail sauce that comes with it is really good too. It also comes with a couple lemon wedges. I also got a package, an 18-pack of the Thomas English muffins. We like to use those for breakfast sandwiches during the week. And then we always get this Kirkland Vodka. This is a liter bottle. I believe it's the same thing as Grey Goose, or that's what I've read anyway, and it was on sale. It was not on sale, I'm sorry. Its regular price is $14.99, which is a fantastic price for a liter of vodka. I got a bottle of this Gnarly Head wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. I have not tried this kind before, but always want to try different wines, so I got that. And then I got 2 bottles of... Shh, Connor. I got 2 bottles of the Prosecco. Normally, if I'm going to make mimosas, I buy champagne, but this actually works just as well, and it is a great price, $6.99 a bottle. So I got a couple bottles of that to keep in the fridge. So that is everything that I got from Costco. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.